here is the Utopia of the Sea. Not the largest, but one of the largest cruise ships Royal Caribbean has to offer. Are you familiar with the area at all?
No.
Okay. This is Cape Canaveral in front of us, and to the right, further on down, is Cocoa Beach. We're trying to get to 500 feet here as quick as possible. Gonna go right in front of the bow of the Utopia of the Sea, so you'll be able to get a good look at what they got going on there. This right in front of us is the Titan Submarine Turning Station. Submarines come here, they turn around and do other things that they won't tell us about. This here is Carnival Glory. And off to our left is the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. The two towers that you see there, the black ones with the white spires on top, water tower to the right. That is Launch Pad 40. Any of the SpaceX rockets launch from there. Cape traffic helicopter 3245 Sierra, east end of the port, turning back west at 500. Alright, and all this up here is restricted area. We cannot go that way. Big turn to the right. Might see some dolphins and whatnot out in this area. Some people have reported seeing sharks. And a little bit more gentle turn back to the left. This is Jetty Point. If you haven't walked out on there, you're welcome to do so. There is some parking here that you can take advantage of.
Go for save one.
These tanks over here, there's 23 of those white tanks. Those tanks hold fuel for Orlando International Airport. It is pumped there by pipeline. Tankers, probably much like this one here, come in, provide fuel for those tanks. It goes off to the airport. Where are y'all from?
Marysville, Ohio.
Ohio, okay. Yeah, we get a lot of people here from Ohio.
Cape Tower, helicopter 8200, yep. Schneider Alpha Kilo. Cape traffic, Alpha Alpha Kilo, we're Wilson northbound Cape.
Schneider Alpha Kilo, this is 45 Sierra. We're just getting ready to cross over to the Banana River, be doing our turnaround there at 500. Okay.
Alright, sounds good, we'll keep an eye out for you. We're just turning over the ocean.
Roger that. Alright, this here's the Banana River. Off to our right is the Disney Wish. And as you can see, the Banana River is used for a lot of water sports. There's also dolphins and manatee here. We did see quite a few manatee a while ago in the lock system there. Let's see if they're still there. Birds. There's the manatee there. That's the long dark figures that look like logs. And right here is a school of them. I'm not sure what they're doing. If I'm not mistaken, you know, if I remember correctly now that I think about it, I think somebody told me that that might be a breeding pond.
Cape traffic, helicopter 45 Sierra on final for the helipad, Cape.
Alright, we're going to go over here to the grassy area so that we can avoid the primary helipad as we get to our helipad back there. It's a little bit more wind here, but I'm all right. I'm at half of the lot, so I'm completely capable of handling that. I will do my best to keep any jostling to a minimum. All right, let's see. All right, we are touched down. You can keep your headsets on, but go ahead and open your doors.